when, the students, faculty, and staff of these universities talk about defending the possibility of life that they have struggled to build, what kind of educational model is under threat here? And what I mean is, what might forces trying to establish a very hyper centralized control see this particular approach so that to education so dangerous?
Yeah, I agree. And destroying universities is a way to break this intergenerational continuity and erase political memory that was created during these years of experimenting with democratic self-rule. People should really understand that all of those projects, all of those utopian ideas, these dreams for creating this new society was taking place during a time that from all different sides, from Turkey, from Assad's regime, from jihadists, from ISIS.